Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cat makeup tutorial. First, before anything, this squishy is so soft and slow rising. It's Galaxy Poo. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get on into the makeup. Just to let you know, there's a few jokes in it. So first of all, we are going to make sure our beautiful skin is clean, not dirty like mud. You want to have cat ears. My auntie Sophie bought this for me. That's a shout out to my auntie Sophie. And also make sure you have your cat ears. My auntie Sophie bought these from Primark. I think they were a few quid. You don't want to get a cheap load of rubbish from Poundland, because they could probably break easily. Like, oh, mummy. What?
Oh, I bought these cute little cat ears from Poundland. Look, you can bend them and everything.
Oh, well, Poundland is a cheap load of rubbish.
No, it isn't, Mummy. I could bend them and everything. Look.
It's not. I told you. That's what it's like. Anyway, so first thing with the makeup, we're going to brush our eyebrows. Now I'm being serious, and I'm not going to pile up lots of colours on. I'm just going to do a little bit because I don't want to end up looking like a clown. What if I could join the circus if I look like a clown. I hope there was a sound effect there. I hope there was. Anyway, now I'm just going to brush my beautiful eyebrows. I'm not saying they're beautiful than yours, but they're beautiful. Ow! Not as bad as tweezing them, I guess. Anyway, I'm ashamed of myself. I'm such a terrible YouTuber. Anyway, next thing is the eyes. Beautiful things, but you can't stop admiring. So I'm going to use this beautiful palette here. By the way, it's this.
Larok Beginner's Collection. 120 summer eyeshadow tones.
$4.99 from Groupon. And the simple baby colours I'm going to be using. There's another layer as well. Oh my goodness. So if you want to buy 2 palettes and you don't have a lot of money, it's an absolute bargain. Anyway, first off, on my eyes, I'm going to be using this white. It's so good. It's like this. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just like that. And then you're just going to apply it up to the eyebrow. Short, sharp strokes. Now we're going to add to the eyelids this bad boy. It's so good. It's like this caramel colour, and it's like a baby caramel. So this is right on the eyelid. Quite sad, really. Is that a pimple on my eyelid? Yeah, it is. Now, in the socket, we are going to be using a brown. It's quite dark. I'm going to be using this colour, and we're putting it in the socket. Very, very amazing. Clean up any mistakes. Make sure you do both eyes and just clean up any mess. I look like I've had a terrible day at work. I'm blending it outwards. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to do a liquid eyeliner for along the top of the eye, or cat eye. So I'm using this Make Me Up. Okay, now let's get started. I'm using Make Me Up liquid eyeliner in black. I'm just gonna place it on the top of my eyelashes to create what? The cat eye. Very slow and close to the eyelash. Now, see how I've done it in the corners here to make it more like a cat eye. If you've seen one of my videos, my cat's in it and he has this. He doesn't wear makeup now. Now we're going to do the under eye. So now I'm going to use the Smoky Black Master by Rimmel and just put it under my eye on the lower lashes. I'm going to use this end to smudge a bit of this brown in it. This will give it a softer look. Now do the same on the other eye. Start with a pencil. Now just smudge it in again with brown and a smudger. Now I'm going to be using this Push Up Drama mascara, and I do not know what end you want to take off. Is it this one? Just give my eyelashes a bit of lift. Now the other eye. He's a cat. Meow. Now that's done. And I'm going to do a bit of contouring. I've got this contour palette, this Revolution palette for my contouring. I'm going to be using this one for my sucked in cheeks. That's all to do. Now I'm going to be using this Glide Away White, what I've used in my rabbit and my dog, I think. Yeah, both of them. Maybe even more. I've used it and it's for the same thing, drawing the moustache. Now I'm going to be using the Makeup Gallery Pro Liquid Eyeliner for the nose and the top lip. And the line. He's a cat. Meow. Yeah. He's a cat. Meow. But it is a cat video and I'm doing a cat makeup and I'll get it up my nose. Get it up. Oh wait, done half of it already, guys. But you get the point. Now we're going to do the top lip. I need a mirror. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Now to do the whiskers. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, and 2, and 3.
Just
1, and I need 2 whiskers. Now I'm going to add some pink lip gloss onto my bottom lip. And there you have it. So this is your finished look. Like, subscribe, comment down below what video you want me to do next. And I'll see you next time. Peace out. What did a cat say to its boyfriend? You're perfect. Bye. What's up, pussycat?